The rocketing sales of new energy vehicles in China is bringing with it a new problem. How can you power up the battery recycling sector? Most NEVs now use lithium batteries, which have a service life of 6 to 8 years. That means it will soon be the time to decommission most of the ones that have been powering China's first generation of NEVs. And it's not just the auto manufacturers who are thinking about the problem. Electric bike makers, which also use a lot of lithium batteries, are expected to see a growing need to recycle dead batteries in the years to come as well.
我们基本上以3年使用期限作为退役的一个标准。
Our batteries are decommissioned after being used for 3 years on average. That includes not only the power batteries, but also those used in the bike locks. There are now around 1 million batteries in our electric bikes in the market.
涵盖成电池基本上在100万颗左右的这样一个体量。
As of now, there are 2 ways to recycle batteries and make them or their components useful again.
根据电池的状态，来判断说
，Based on the battery condition including performance and safety, some can be touched up and put in other products using lithium batteries, while the rest will be dismantled. Then we extract the valuable materials used in the battery cell and reuse them to make new batteries.
再经过石法冶金，重新做到电池的原料。
But there's still a long way to go for the battery recycling industry to fully develop. Due to the technical limits and the high costs of battery recycling, not all the materials in the batteries can be handled in an environmentally friendly manner.
目前呢，国内企业做的比较多的，国内国外做的比较多的是针对
Most domestic and overseas recycling companies are extracting and reusing precious metals such as the nickel and cobalt in batteries. But other materials like graphite are mainly abandoned, as companies cannot make a profit on them given current technology. Not all the components in the batteries can be fully recycled.
这个不是一个综合，它没有对其他的这个部分进行综合的这个利用。
And for an emerging industry like battery recycling, unifying industry standards is also of importance. To prevent potential safety and environmental risks, the central government has already issued guidelines for the utilization of NEV waste power batteries, setting requirements on the expected recovery rate of nickel, cobalt, and rare earth. Now it's turn of the industry to power up. Injun Money Talks.